Okay, so welcome back. Today we've got a couple of projects on the list here. But the exciting news is today we're setting up our sawmill. We bought a Woodland Mills sawmill, and I'm going to use the grading bucket to level out a nice area and set the mill up. Finally, yeah, we've had it. This is the end of March.
Yeah, when did you get it?
I got it. It was delivered the middle of December, so it's been in hibernation for 3 months.
Like all of us, yes.
And we're going to use it to cut all that lumber all the trees that I cut down a year ago, pine trees, hemlock trees, to make a lot of the post and beam accents we're going to be putting in the house once we get to the finished stage. So I want to try to get it set up and get it all working and you know, sort of have the learning curve before I get to the important stuff. So
yeah. So
we're gonna get this off of here, get it on the machine, clean the area down below where we're gonna put the sawmill, set it up, and see what happens. Who knows, right? What could happen?
Nothing bad's gonna happen.
You want to work the excavator or the sawmill?
I was gonna lift this off of here and.
Yeah, sure you were. I don't think so. Alright, well, I got busted by the fire department again. Apparently, they really don't like you burning brush in this town, so they came, shut me down, I put the fire out, so I brought whatever was left down into the woods with the tractor. So I got a little bit here left. I'll let that get rained on, and then I'll bring it down back. So now I'm working on, see behind me there with the Mini, I'm working on trying to get a level spot for the sawmill. So let me take you over there and I'll show you what we got going. Grab that level.
So what happened? That level there, dude.
Huh?
That's level.
It's still gonna come way down.
Gotta come down there. Not bad. Yeah, you do the level, I'll do the wood up. Getting close. I mean, eventually, long term, I want to pour concrete. Yeah.
When I decide that this is exactly where I want it. But once you pour concrete,
You're committed to having
you're
it
committed.
there.
Hey everybody, so it's the next day and trying to get to this sawmill assembly. So today I'm hoping we get something done on this sawmill. Jen's on her way to meet me. She went hiking this morning. She's down here. She's gonna come down here and help me get this thing put together. It's basically two-step process. You build the track, which I'm hoping to get that going today, and then you assemble the power head and put that on the track. So the area I cleared yesterday where I was grading with the excavator, I think I've decided that I am going to pour the concrete now for that, because I've got to pour concrete for the decks on the house this week, which is like, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about 10 sonnet tubes. So while I'm getting concrete, that'll be enough. You have to order a minimum amount of concrete to get a truck here. So I think with the slab for the sawmill and the 10 sonnet tubes, yeah, I'll be able to get a truck here. So anyway, I'm rambling enough of that. Let me just get going on this thing and get something done. You know what I'm saying? Okay, here it is. You ready? That aside for a minute. This is the big reveal, I guess. I don't know. What we bought is, I did a lot of research on sawmills. My brother used to have one called the Hudson that I got to use once or twice. And that was a good machine made here in the United States. made New York State, which is the next state over from us. But after doing my research, I decided to go with this one, which is a Woodland Mills. This is they call it a HM126-14, which I believe means 12.5 foot of track comes with it. And it's a 14 horsepower Kohler. And that 14 horse Kohler is one of the reasons I went with this one. Kind of for the money, it's kind of the biggest motor I could get. I think the Woodmiser was like a 9 horse for the same money. So anyway, let me try to get this thing out. Oh, maybe I did move it. Enough. Oh my God, I ripped my car apart. Son of a... Good thing I got 30 more. This is not the best setup in the world. But they ship these things all over the place, so I guess they gotta have a way to do this. Okay, I got it all unpacked, and I gotta tell you what, I'm very impressed with the quality of these materials. I mean, this is a piece of track, and it's, I don't know if you can see that, but it's probably 3/16 of an inch thick. It's like aluminum maybe. I don't know if it's, probably weighs, I don't think it's aluminum, because that probably weighs 40 pounds a piece. Just very impressed with how heavy duty this thing is, but it's challenging because everything's so heavy. Okay, after half hour of crawling around on our hands and knees, we got the track all bolted together, and they call these bunks, I guess. These little deals in here. Those are to stop the power head from falling off the track. That would be a bad day.
Yeah.
Alright, so first 12 feet of track is done. Next I think is the log dogs. Log dogs. They go in these 3 little slots.
With a river dog.
And then I don't know, we might call it a day for after that. I don't know. We're not going to set the power head on it till
It's down there.
it's down there, yeah, so. But again, that stuff is super heavy duty. I mean, it's very well built.
Yeah.
And making it all difficult to put together and tiresome. All right, let's see what we do next. What do you think? What are you doing with that now?
I don't know. I think this. I want to do something with this. This goes next.
Maybe we should read the directions further.
Well, now I can just do it all by myself. Go take a break. Seriously, dude, I can do all this.
Gotta tighten these bolts. All the bolts are really tight. All right, well, we got the track done, and we got the log dogs and the log supports and the feet on the track, so I feel good about the project. We got a good start to it today. I don't like to post videos where I don't really get something done, you know, in the video. I mean, you know, who wants to watch me not get stuff done? So, and that's just how it's been for the last month and a half. Very soon here, though, it's going to all come together, and a lot's going to happen all at once. And I know that's coming, so I'm trying to get rested up for that while still chugging along on these projects. So anyway, yep, we got the track done. The next video will be getting the power head built and onto the track, and then we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna pour concrete slab, and then I gotta decide. I'm gonna put some wood underneath this. I picked up some 6x6s, but I might just save those for the house, the deck. We're gonna need them on the decks. Because I'm not sure I want it to be that high. I gotta determine what height I want. So I might just run some 2x6s under it and bolt them down just like you would the sill of a house, or this barn even. Put some bolts in the concrete and bolt that pressure treated material right down to the concrete, and then I can screw these feet on the track right to that wood so that this thing isn't going to go anywhere. The more I think about it, what I'll probably do is I'll use a double 2x6 just like I did on the barn here. So anyway, that'll be the next video. Thanks for watching this one. Again, sorry I didn't get a lot done, but again, that's the way it is. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time right here from White Pine Woods. So long.